Would you like to design the new Guggenheim headquarters with Herzog and de Meuron?
Sono Andreas Fries, sono partner nello studio Herzog e de Meuron, lavoro come tutor nella Yacademy, che per me è molto ispirante.
Hello everyone, my name is Tommaso Bernabò Silorata and I am a senior architect at Herzog de Meuron. I will be your next tutor for this upcoming course in architecture and exhibition.
In an industrial village, now a UNESCO World Heritage Site, architecture for exhibition students will transform a historic industrial site into a contemporary museum, engaging with the creation of contemporary cultural experiences.
I'm very happy to be part of this adventure with you all, because I think it's something that is very enriching both for you but also for us as an office and for me as an individual, because it's a great occasion to learn a lot and to work together towards new ideas on this new exciting project.
Tutored by the Herzog and de Meuron studio, participants will design the new Italian headquarters of the Guggenheim Museum within the village of Crespi Diata, establishing a dialogue between heritage and new exhibition requirements.
Sarà un lavoro in team, questa è quella bella opportunità di essere lì tutti insieme a Bologna.
And the idea is that together we will develop this project so that each of you will give his own contribution and with his own story will bring something to the project.
Questa è un'altra opportunità di veramente avere tanta gente di tanti ambiti culturali, di tanti contesti, con dei mindset così differenti che vi possono ispirare.